Hi everyone, today I'm gonna make a phone case. For this project, I'll be using flexible plastic to make this phone case. I have used regular plastic to make a Minion phone case. If you haven't checked it out already, you can find it on my channel. I have used flexible plastic to make a dress for Elsa and it turned out pretty good. And today I'm gonna try this flexible plastic again to make a phone case. Let's see how it turned out. I don't have many flexible plastic. The only color I have is red and green. So today I'm gonna use green for the background color and red for the heart. Now before we start it, we wanna make sure we will protect our phone so it won't get damaged on your phone. So I'm gonna use a piece of copy paper and just pack it really good. But before you pack it up, we want to make sure we find our camera hole. I forgot to dip out this hole when I made my first phone case. So this time, we want to make sure we did dip out a hole. Okay, now this is the camera hole. So we wanted to make sure dip out a hole here. You can kind of feel it's right here. This is the camera, but we're gonna dip out a hole that's a little bit bigger than camera so it won't block your view. And there's a little mic on the side, we don't want to cover that either. So this will be the hole that I'm gonna dip it out. Depending on the size of your phone, you want to make sure this hole is big enough to dip out this camera hole. So now we can just take it on this side. And also on the side has some bottom. If you don't want to cover it up, we can just dip out a hole right here. Okay, so this is for the bottom. Now this is the heart that I'm going to use on the back of the phone. So I'm going to tape it up here. Okay, now we have finished packing our image and our phone. So our phone is well protected now. Now let's have some fun. First I'm going to make the heart and then fill in the background. we have finished our phone case. Inside here has some paper from our copy paper. If you don't like this here, you can go through the water, then you can tear it out. Since it's inside, if you want to just leave it there, you won't see it from outside anyway. This is flexible, you can bend it. If you're not too rough with it, it should be fine. And now we can put our phone inside here. Now this time I make sure I leave out all the holes. Now we have camera, so now we can take picture with this phone case. I also make the Minion phone case. You can use the same technique, just change the image here, so you can put any picture or maybe picture of yourself or anything you like. So now you can have one of the kind phone case. If you like this video, please give me a big thumb up and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any suggestion for my next video, leave a comment down below and let me know. I will try my best to make it happen. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.